Where are we going?
Carson, where are we going?
I don't know where we're going.
Yeah, we're off to the Vancouver Island this morning to meet with a company that we cannot talk about for a project within solar lights. And so, yeah, me and Carson are on our way to the ferry terminal right now and meet our clients. So what this company does is they use solar lights in conjunction with crosswalks. And so right now they're using a cellular technology to the crosswalk lights to be able to turn lights on and off or change lighting depending if they're holidays or things like that. And so what we're hoping to do is we're going to replace the cellular capabilities that they have with the RF mesh capabilities, which would reduce all airtime charges for them, as well as be hopefully a lot faster and more efficient and especially sustainable.
Well, what we learned from KBU was that their Wi-Fi infrastructures are very restricted. This time is we have both Wi-Fi and Ethernet connection in our gateway.
How was your ferry trip? Yeah. So look what we found. It's Jerry. We made it to the island. Yeah, we're in sunny, unusually sunny Victoria.
It's going to be a whole bunch of new capabilities for the radio that we're going to demonstrate today, which I think a lot of other people we'll talk to will want similar capabilities. The ability to monitor equipment performance, the ability to control equipment remotely, and the ability to send alarms when equipment is malfunctioning, which almost any imaginable industry would have a need for those kinds of monitoring capabilities.
I'm glad that we are in a well-equipped lab where we have all the things we need to wire it up.
What makes this as exciting is we can monitor and operate any type of equipment as opposed to strictly monitoring temperature and humidity.
I can click on and it turn on. Yes. If I turn off, click on that, it just goes off. Here.
So, install's done. Took us less than an hour to do, which is a big deal considering last time it took us an undisclosed amount of time to finish that. The real hero of the day is Carson, as usual. And yeah, so we're really excited. It worked.
The impression I got from the customers, they were very happy and impressed. It did what they wanted it to do, and we set it up without any problem. And now they have something that they can go demonstrate to their customer, which should lead to a real trial of a commercial unit, and ask for more.
Carson, anything you want to add?
Nope, that's Jerry, sum it up.
Right.